Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Java on Windows 11. 1. Open a web browser and navigate to Oracle's Java Downloads page. 2. Select the latest JDK version. In this example, the latest available version is JDK 21. 3. Access the Windows tab. 4. Click the x64 installer download link. 5. Double-click the downloaded Java file to start the installation. 6. Once the installation wizard welcome screen appears, select Next to proceed. 7. Choose the destination folder for the Java installation files or stick to the default path and click Next. 8. The installation process is complete when the successfully installed message appears. Click Close to exit the wizard. Congratulations! You have learned how to install Java on Windows 11. Thank you for watching our guide.